everyone, thanks for tuning in to another Makerspace from the Covina Public Library. For May, we're making Sky Diving Chihuahuas. And if you don't have a Sky Diving Chihuahua, I'll show you how to make your own parachute person with some materials from your own home. So, if you're ready to learn how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, to go along with your skydiving chihuahua, I'm going to show you how to make a parachute person. So what you're going to need are some pipe cleaners and a coffee filter. So first we're going to make the stick figure. So you're going to want to make a loop for the head, and then from there you're going to want to create the body of the stick figure. So you can follow my movements here, or if you believe you can make a stick figure of your own, then that's perfectly fine as well. The goal though is to have loops where the arms are, and I'll show you why later. Now that I have the person shape that I want, I'm going to use the other pipe cleaner to use as a harness to connect to the parachute. So you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to loop it through the two loops of the arms. So that's why you're going to want to make sure you have loops of where his arms are. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And once they've looped through, now you'll have a harness using the second pipe cleaner. Okay, so now you're going to need to attach your parachute person to the parachute. So go ahead and fold your coffee filter in half, then make two little slits on each end. And then from there you can use the harness to go through those slits, and you'll attach your parachute person to the parachute. You can make a little knot at the top to secure it as well. Okay, if you have the little skydiving chihuahua, all you have to do is untie it, and then you can see what the parachute shape is on the skydiving chihuahua. It should look something like this. And so now that you have both your skydiving chihuahua and your parachute person, what we're going to do is see which one works better. So I'll go ahead and show you what we tried at the library. Feel free to try this experiment at your own home and see how it turns out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys had a great time with our May Makerspace craft. If you guys want to see more cool Makerspace programs, stay tuned. We'll have more coming to you from the Covina Public Library. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.